Yeah.
I didn't know what was going to happen.
He probably hadn't planned it either.
No.
You said one thing. Where is it? Yeah. You notice first, and then make up your mind if you like it or not, and be willing to discuss it with another person. And I think you said there's your stumbling block. Is that right, or did you hear that?
Well, if you're pretending it to yourself, aren't you? You watched Frank
Right.
this morning.
Right.
And then you watched me.
Right.
And what we did was to not let our old habits do this and get us ready. I'm going to sing, and I have to do this to thing.
Oh, okay. I see.
See, and Frank, from here, just decided to do some talking. And every time we open our mouths, we all do this. And your lips should be closed so that your brain gets a message and there's an ease of movement rather than, but you do this and you've set yourself and you better stay where you were.
I see.